With advancements in manufacturing and materials, why are dump bodies still made the same way they were 50 years ago? The same old box on a chassis. Introducing the Fusion by Strong Industries, a heavy-duty dump body utilizing the latest in ultralight, super strong material, engineered to withstand even tougher abuse while weighing in at 25% less than its rivals. A lighter body and better engineering means you can haul more compared to a standard tandem, and a 22-ton payload means 41% more efficient deliveries, putting more money back in your pocket. Call now, and included for a limited time in your order is the breakthrough Strongway onboard wireless scale. Combined with our fleet management software, you and your driver can now verify weight and payload at any time. And ask about our distribution indicator system that makes balancing your load a breeze. The Fusion by Strongway will change what you expect from a dump truck. To learn more, visit our website or give us a call.